Hello and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Primetime English News with me, SUCHITRA Rajkumari. First, the headlines. India's unity will bolster when all communities treat Constitution of India with same reverence like sacred religious texts, asserts CLP leader Okram Ibobi. Former minister, also member of CPI National Control Commission Manipur State Council, Dr. Moirangthem Nara urges CPI members to discuss and understand global socio-economy and political changes. National Investigation Agency begins probe into horrific terrorist attack in Jammu and Kashmir's Pahalgam that claimed lives of 26 civilians. Four members of band Ningol Macha under Pambay-led UNLF, including Commander Tiger, arrested for extortion activities. And now the news in detail. Former Chief Minister and Congress Legislative Party leader Okram Ibobi has today emphasized the need for upholding the Indian Constitution in strengthening the nation. He was speaking as the chief guest at the launching function of state-level Sangbidhan Bachao rally, which was organized by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC under the aegis of All India Congress Committee at Congress Bhavan, BT Road, Imphal. Speaking further, Ibobi maintained that the nation will become coherent only when the citizens of different faiths consider Indian Constitution like their holy books, accusing BJP of amending the Indian Constitution to divide India on the line of religion. He pointed out that Indian Constitution was written on the basis of the principle of harmonious existence among diverse communities and religions. He expressed strong apprehension that there will be serious implications if the Constitution has been amended on such grounds, further appealing different communities in Manipur not to make demands which will undermine the state's integrity. The CLP leader reaffirmed that Congress party will not accept influx of illegal immigrants and other demands which threatens the state.
अकोई भारत वासी महत्वनी को हाइला हाउ नबा दुगुम संविधान से नी धर्म का पेश होगा अकोई स्टेट जाति हम कत हिंदुस्तानी अकोई दी हिंदू की लेगा दी हिंदुस्तानी हाइला तुम द चंगल पसना भारत की संविधान से मतलब की संदोपति जाए हाइलो वो भारत की संविधान से ओ ये संदोप साधो खिला भारत सिंह मइदनी पेयाबगी अकी बला करा अगर वैसे कोई जैसा इस्लाम धर्म तत्व इस्लाम संविधान से कोई की कुरान शरीफ ने ना लोगों अगर हिंदू धर्म तत्व कोई की गीता ने ना लोगों क्रिश्चियन धर्म तत्व से जो संविधान कोई की बाइबल ने ना कोई लोगों को दादा भारत से काय हुई नहीं काय हुई होमलैंड हुई भी है सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हुई भी है ग्रेटर हुई भी है ना हुई भी है मणिपुर का लेवल डिमांड दी if there is a problem, there must be a solution.
Former minister, also member of CPI National Control Commission Manipur State Council, Dr. Moirangthem Nara, has urged CPI members to explore and analyze the changing dynamics of socio-economic and political conditions in and outside Manipur. He was speaking at the 14th Triennial Conference of CPI Thoubal District, which was held today at the Hall of Sophia English School, Thoubal Wangmataba. Speaking further, Nara stressed on evolving nature of socio-economy and political conditions in Manipur, our country, and globally as a whole. Nara also asked CPI members to show their love and loyalty to the political party by putting party's ideology and principles into practice. During the conference, former chairman of CPI National Control Commission, Manipur State Council, Y. Dhananjoy, hoisted the party's flag. Besides, CPI members observed 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to late party members. Political and organizational reports of CPI Thawal District were also presented during the conference.
Very much socio-economic, political conditions in the country, in the state, and for that matter, the entire world, complex, complicated situation, organization because situation is very, very complicated. Complication again, this is the opportunity. Party in the proper direction, struggle kaya yung general ay lip service na taba. Struggle oriented to iba direction na sa pagitangay po today.
National Investigation Agency NIA has formally begun its probe into the horrific terrorist attack in Pahalgam's Baisaran Valley that claimed lives of 26 civilians earlier this week. Following orders from the Union Ministry of Home Affairs MHA, senior officers from federal agency, including an Inspector General, a Deputy Inspector General, and a Superintendent of Police, have been camping at the site to collect crucial evidences. NIA teams are closely examining eyewitnesses' accounts to reconstruct the sequence of events that led to one of the deadliest terror attacks in Kashmir in recent years. Officials have also visited the families of the deceased to record their assessments and statements as part of the ongoing investigation. Meanwhile, emotional scenes unfolded at Attari border as Pakistani nationals rushed to leave India ahead of the April 27 exit deadline. A teenager was seen leaving for Pakistan alone after her mother, held back by citizenship restrictions, was unable to accompany her. Medical visas for Pakistani citizens, however, remain valid until April 29. Tensions continue to rise along the line of control LOC, with the Indian Army reporting incidents of unprovoked small arms fire by Pakistani Army post opposite to Tutmari Gully and Rampur sectors during the night of April 26 and 27. In the aftermath of the Pahalgam attack, security forces launched a sweeping crackdown across Kashmir. 6 houses allegedly belonging to active militants were demolished using controlled explosions. Over 100 residences of suspected militant supporters were searched, and hundreds of local residents were detained. Authorities have also arrested 19 individuals across northeast of India for allegedly posting anti-national content related to the terror attack. Manipur police arrested 4 members of proscribed Pambai-led UNLF along with a person associated with their activities from Wangkai Thangapat Mapan near Young Pioneer Club under Porompat Police Station in Imphal East District yesterday. The arrested persons have been identified as Wang Mayum Azizur Rahman alias Tiger, 52 years of age, of Mayang Imphal Bengun Yangbi Mayay Lekai, Imphal West, and presently staying at Hatta Golapati KR Lane, Imphal East. Sheikh Wasim Raja alias Wang Thoiba, 30 years of age, of Kiamgai Muslim Mayay Lekai, Imphal East. Muhammad Farooq Khan alias Kingba, 19 years of age, of Pabakchao Konuma, Imphal West. Pusham Ajmer alias Kakba, 24 years of age, of Mayang Imphal Bengun Yangbi Makha Lekai, and Kulakpam Ibosana, 44 years of age, of Oinam Sawombung Main Road, Imphal West. Some incriminating materials were also seized from their possession. Meanwhile, police arrested 5 members of KCP PWG who were involved in extortion activities from different places in Imphal. The arrested KCP PWG members have been identified as Ningthaujam Birjit Maitay, 36 years, of Nongren Mamang Lekai, Laishram Suraj, 28 years, of Sawombung Junction near FCI Go Down, Maneruddin, 48 years, of Lilong Hauraibi Laumanga, Muhammad Wajbir Ahmad alias Jimmy, 33 years, of Lilong Sambrukong, Thongam Joy Nanda alias Boicha, age 51. of Kongnang Paidekpi Ahibam Laikai. Security forces recovered large numbers of arms and ammunition during search operation conducted at Laijangpai village under Thanlon police station in Farzol district. The recovered items included 2 country-made 9mm pistols, 2.303 rifles, 1.22 country-made rifle, 1 lethod gun, 57.62mm live rounds of AK rifle, 4 BP jackets, and 2 radio handsets. The items have been handed over to Thanlon police station for further necessary legal action. On the other hand, security forces also seized huge cache of arms and ammunition from Motlincham village under Sugnu police station in Kakching district. The items included 1 SLR, 2 single-barrel guns, 1 bolt-action rifle, 4 pumpies, 2 number 36 highly explosive grenades, 2 bore cartridges, 5 7.62 live rounds, 2 51mm mortar covers, 2 tube launchers, 4 tear gas shells SN, 3 stun shells, 2 tear gas shells CS, 2 2-inch smoke shells, and 2-inch para shells, among others. Director of Family Welfare Services and State Health Society, NHM Manipur, jointly organized a special vaccination drive today at the office premises of Directorate of Family Welfare, marking the observance of World Immunization Week. The vaccination program was held under the theme, Immunization for All is Humanely Possible. Staff of Urban Ayushman Arogya Mandir, who mobilized children for vaccination, also attended the event, where vaccinations were administered by Principal Female Health Worker Lampel. State Immunization Officer KSH Mimcha, addressing the gathering, emphasized that World Immunization Week, observed globally from April 24 to April 30, aims to raise awareness about the importance of vaccines in preventing life-threatening diseases. She stressed that the campaign plays a crucial role in safeguarding communities against vaccine-preventable illnesses. Tribal Youth Council Manipur TYCM General Headquarters held a joint meeting with leaders of Village Authority, Youth Club, and Women's Organization of Chingmairong Kabuikul at Village Community Hall today. The meeting deliberated on a wide range of issues impacting tribal communities of Manipur. During the session, TYCM GHQ President Momo Tantanga and General Secretary sensitized the leaders on suspension of tribal rights and criticized government's negligence and improper oversight regarding Directorate of Tribal Affairs and Hills Department, Tribal Research Institute, TRI, Manipur State Commission for Scheduled Tribes, and Manipur Tribal Development Corporation Limited. Leaders of Village Authority, Youth Club, and Women's Organization shared their grievances and highlighted numerous challenges faced by tribals. They unanimously declared their full endorsement of the concerns raised by TYCM and pledged their unwavering support towards safeguarding the rights and welfare of tribal people. The TYCM delegation was led by President Momo Tangtanga and comprised 5 Executive Council members. Sayol Foundation observed its 8th Foundation Day at Manipur University's Earth Science Department's Senate Hall today. The event was attended by Chairman of Sayol Foundation, Elangbam Samananda, Director of SCERT, Ahaibam Romel, MIMS Manipur University Professor C.H. Ibohal, Social Scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laistram, and Department of Teacher Education Assistant Professor Dr. Koijam Sobita as main guests. Sayol State Excellence Award 2025 was presented to Ashatullah Tampak Mayum and Yumkhaibam Ibomjam Maitay during the event. Addressing the event, Sayol Foundation Chairman Elangbam Samananda stated that the foundation's aim is to recognize and encourage efforts of individuals who have made significant contributions to the society. He also reiterated the foundation's commitment to provide training and opportunities for youths to develop their skills and talents and work towards overall development of the community.
Adongi samlaba mating amana kanagumba amagi punsi mayol chonghangkhibasu yai haibagi motto se akoina sahi tarit nipan sorokpasida akoina imung chani da hena utlaga mateng pangjarkanda sigi akogi motto se chumakpagi kainoda uba haitare imung kayada punsi mayol piba hingning ba phawamdraba kana leitena waramba imung kayada akoina mateng pangsilakanda punsi mayol project punsi mayol gi project makhada imung kayagi hingingbagi asa porokpa wakhalda nungaiba phawonba wakhal hana waramba depression salam makena koina phanba training piba imung semilon pikhat pasigum masina akoigi motto se work tawba ngamina haibase hena mayamda khanghaningbdugi matang do makha khoi foundation di sin lapasida koina lawjabani.
Journalists from various media outlets joined the cyclothon titled Fit India Sundays on Cycle, organized by SAI Northeast Regional Center, Imphal, in association with Imphal Smart City today. The cyclothon, flagged off by DIPR Joint Director L. Ashok Kumar, commenced from Takyel SAI Complex and concluded at Malom Oil Depot. Speaking on the sideline, L. Ashok Kumar highlighted that the cyclothon was organized with an aim to make state journalists healthy and to spread awareness about healthy lifestyle to the public. He also explained about the benefits of riding bicycles, such as saving money, keeping body fit, and safeguarding the environment.
Thai NERC Imphal na Sinduna Sunday on Cycle Pamtopada journalism khatagi oba program ama sinbiba asigidama Thai NERC Imphal bo aina hamda thagar phongkapsari cycling se yamna maruiba bianamani IOC na cycling se Olympic da Asian Games atai national games na singda cycling se yamna maruiba ibianamo in lawi cycling se Kanaba Iwakanda, Piram Ahumda Kane and Kali, Amana Haksan Pavada, Amana Paisakan Muda, Amana environment Kanbada. Haksan Pavada means upon a cycle Toragadi, Akugi cardiovascular exercise to what lungs Pahanba, Akugi strength Pahanba, Akugi obesity, weight management over the cycling to Sinayam the Kanale.
A walkathon titled Pancreatitis Warrior Run, organized by Institute of Liver and Digestive Sciences ILDS Hospital, Kwakaitel, commenced from Kangla Western Gate and concluded at ILDS today. The walkathon was organized with an aim to raise awareness and funds for treatment of pancreatitis, a disease affecting the pancreas. Speaking on the sideline, ILDS Hospital Managing Director Dr. N. Suraj Kumar highlighted that the walkathon, conducted under the theme Run, Walk, Cure, was to spread awareness about the importance of early detection and treatment of pancreatitis for better outcomes. He maintained that those affected by pancreatitis are hailed as warriors for their courage in battling the disease, while highlighting that ILDS Hospital has seen successful outcomes through multiple endoscopic and surgical interventions for pancreatitis patients, many of whom are from Manipur. Furthermore, Dr. Suraj Kumar said that the hospital aims to continue its efforts to raise awareness and provide accessible treatment options for the people. He further added that the hospital has a dedicated gastro ICU and a team of gastro and surgical experts to provide comprehensive care for pancreatitis patients.
Pancreatitis Warrior Run se Singapore se wari khopni makoi se koi gi matam yam sang na changi moi je phagalak pada makoi se ICU da matam sang na leiba endoscopy kuthang da multiple surgery tawba amasung months of recovery changi moi se si anabas na makoi gi willpower se to the limits test away amasung magi patient party sing da emotionally financially yam na drain tawba adumba makal gi anabani aduga last high riba koi gi masi anabase Akoigi Manipur gumba jaga dasu yamna successfully ayamba matamda mai pakna layeng bangami aduga atopa mapangi jaga da best centers across India da compared to matamda akoigi kaimta nopte haina masi paujel si pigeon ingaloina na public awareness si yamna spread to pamjai media kuthangda.
District Administration Jiribam and District Social Welfare Office Jiribam have jointly organized a marathon on the theme Run Towards a Drug-Free Country in Jiribam District today. The marathon was organized under the aegis of Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment with an aim to make India a drug-free country. The marathon was flagged off by Jiribam DC Krishna Kumar from Irabod statue at Babupara and concluded at DC office. Various youths, central and state forces along with staffs from several departments took part in the marathon. Urembam Lashmi, Sinam Athoibi and Maibam Ichan stood first, second and third places respectively in women's category of the marathon, while Konjengbam Yaipaba, M. Siraj and A. Chakri Tomba stood first, second and third places respectively in men's category.
The basic objective to the marathon is to create awareness amongst the different section of public so that they should know about the harmful impact of drug abuse. Our goal is to create an environment where each and every individual, they could be a flag bearer from wherever they are, from whatever family, society and place they are. Once they will participate to this marathon, they should not only just get the aware about this drug abuse, they have to also inform to their family members, their society, so that we can ensure drug-free Jiribam district.
A successful one-day awareness program on conservation of birds was successfully held today at Inland Water Transport Complex, Sindra, to promote the protection of avian biodiversity. Project Director of the Loktak Development Authority, Ngangom Sanajawbo Maitei, and President of the Manipur Bird Club, Khangembam Samungo, attended the event. Expert on bird conservation, K. Jugeshwar, delivered an insightful talk on identification of birds, issues and challenges. He highlighted the critical need for effective bird conservation practices while discussing various challenges involved in the preserving avian species. An interactive session with members of Loktak Lake Tourism Department Cooperative Society Sendra followed the talk. In his address, Ngangom Sanajawbo Maitei stressed the urgent need for environmental conservation in the face of ongoing global warming challenges. He pointed out that protecting water birds is essential for health of wetlands and urged all stakeholders to act as guardians of both the environment and biodiversity. Khangembam Samungo emphasized the need for minimizing disturbances to water birds during boating activities. He encouraged tourist guides to expand their knowledge about water bird species at Loktak Lake and effectively share this information with visitors to promote eco-awareness. Following the awareness session, annual general body meeting of Manipur Bird Club MBC was held. During the meeting, MBC members unanimously resolved to prioritize the conservation of Manipur's avian heritage and laid out action plans for the coming year. Rotary Club of Polo City, Manipur, Polo City Imphal organized special project today at Ora Children Home Patsoy under the theme Connecting with Children. The event aimed to engage the children in interactive sessions, sports activities, and fun games with focus on observing their interests and natural inclinations. President Sovit Elangbam led the interactive and counseling sessions, guiding the children to explore their talents and areas of interest. The club also conducted rejuvenating yoga sessions, instructed by Secretary Preshojit Sanglakpam, with children and Rotary Club members participating together. In addition to the engaging activities, Dr. Deepak Chingtham, a senior member of the club, provided medical attention to children with health concerns and advised further investigations and treatment when necessary. As part of the project, the Rotary Club presented football and punching bags to the children to motivate their sports interests. The event was attended by RCPCI's leadership, including President Sovit Elangbam, Secretary Preshojit Sanglakpam, President-elect Dr. R.K. Ratan Kumar, past presidents, and other club members. Manipur Maitai Pangal Welfare Organization MMWO has informed that its ex-Joint Secretary Kulakpam Ibosana has been banned by the organization for breaking rules and regulation of the organization. In a press release, MMWO highlighted that Kulakpam Ibosana, an organization, will have no relations from now on and will be banned for lifetime from any organizational related activities. Department of Information Technology and MSHCL Tech have jointly announced to organize skill development with placement program at DC Office Sktv'S NIC Conference Hall on April 29. In a press release, DC Sktv'S Rohit Anand informed that counseling cum examination will also be conducted during the program, which is also called HCL Tech B Manipur. He further added that 12 past students of 2024 and 2025 will be given counseling about how to secure jobs during the program. Churachandpur Medical College Imphal campus Kiamgai conducted social service and tree plantation program at the college campus as part of World Earth Day celebration today. The program was attended by Churachandpur Medical College Administrator Angam Gangmai, Deputy Director of Finance Rajesh Ngangbam, faculty members, non-teaching staff and students. The program was organized with an aim to create awareness about the importance of protecting the environment. The attendees also cleaned the college campus and also planted tree saplings around the college campus. Members of Imoinu VLF, Khoidomakha Lekai and ASHA workers conducted cleanliness drive at Yairipok Chandrakhong. During the cleanliness drive, which aimed to keep surroundings clean and hygienic, VLF members and ASHA workers collected plastic bottles and wastes from streets and public places of Ward number 3 and 4 under the jurisdiction of Lairongthel Ningel Gram Panchayat. Meanwhile, Nongpok Lamjingba VLF also conducted similar drive in their jurisdiction today. Ningel Gram Panchayat Administrative Committee Chairperson Salam Kumar and ward members were also present at the cleanliness drive. As part of the observance of 4th death anniversary of Dr. Naurem Achauba, a free medical camp was organized today at Sri Sri Radha Krishna Mandir located at Kakching Ningthau Laikai. As many as 200 individuals turned up at the free medical camp, which was jointly organized by Ideal Pioneers Club, Kakching Ningthau Laikai, and Laima Chanu Nawa Tengbang Luk, Singjamai Chingamathak Chongtham Laikai. Mention may be made that Dr. Naurem Achauba passed MBBS in 1976 to become the first medical doctor from Kakching. He later served in the Family Welfare Service, Manipur, up to the rank of director.
Ngasigi free medical camp asida khoi laima chanu nawang tengbang luf aduga Ningthau Laikai ki Ideal Pioneer Club mayam sinjaraga or koi imung manungi me mayam na punjaraga pura ngasigi successful oiba free medical camp ama sinjari mateng pangboina koi medicine gi Dr. Ima Bhaigavati, PMR Ortho gi Pabung Dr. Ajit, aduga ENT gi Pabung Raghumani, aduga gynae or dental adagi surgery na chingba pulaboina ngasigi koi gi free medical camp asida koi mateng pangbiduna approximately mi chanimuk ngasigi free medical camp na lakpiraga ngasigi pura medical camp se successful hoina sinjari.
National awardee Khetrimayum Priyobata Maitai today felicitated students from Wangjing Tentha Assembly constituency who have secured different ranks in the recently declared Class 12 examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education. He encouraged the students by visiting at their residences and presenting gifts. Moving on to sports. India Bodybuilding and Fitness Federation IBBFF Manipur unit organized felicitation program for its Vice President Khaidem Kalachand today at U Fitness located at Singjamai Kongbar Road. He had recently bagged medals at 65th IBBFF Sai Baba National, 62nd Junior Mr. India and 62nd Mr. and Physically Challenged 2025 bodybuilding tournaments, which were organized from March 24 to March 26. The program was attended by IBBFF Manipur Unit President N. Shivadas, General Secretary E. Inau, along with other fitness-related officials. Addressing the program, IBBFF Manipur Unit Publicity Secretary Oinam Prem Kumar highlighted that Manipur bodybuilders bagged various medals during the tournaments, including a gold medal by Thaunaujam Marco in junior 70 kg category. He added that the team also won overall title champion at one of the tournaments and that it is a proud moment for the state. The team, which was led by E. Inau and O. Prem Kumar as coach and manager respectively, bagged 4 gold medals and 1 silver medal in the tournaments. The match between YLC A team and SAYC B team ended in a draw in today's Group League round match of the ongoing first Thangjam Paripuri and Ichil Inau Ningsing Men's Kang Tournament 2025. The tournament was being organized by District Kang Association at Dibong Kunau Community Hall Kangsang at Dibong Kunau Jiribam from April 23. Both teams scored 11 points each in the match, which was supervised by Kiran Kumar and A. Iboton as referee and scorer respectively. LEC Babupara team and Kasar Kang Khut team will compete against each other in tomorrow's match. And now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. India's unity will bolster when all communities treat Constitution of India with same reverence like sacred religious texts, asserts CLP leader Okram Ibobi. Former minister, also member of CPI National Control Commission Manipur State Council, Dr. Moirangthem Nara urges CPI members to discuss and understand global socio-economy and political changes. National Investigation Agency begins probe into horrific terrorist attack in Jammu and Kashmir's Pahalgam that claimed 26 civilian lives. And 4 members of band Ningol Macha under Pambay-led UNLF, including Commander Tiger, arrested for extortion activities. That is all the news we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News. You have a good night.